So this is my upper deck here, pinned down, so I can put the railings on. Yeah, the dryer is going at the moment, of course, started up. So you can see the shape there, and it's going to go on here. And that's just to glue the railings on, which I've used a little bit of packing board to make it work. So there we go, I have the little guns done in that. So we're coming along nicely. Yeah, I've been working on the USS Arizona for quite a while. I've got the plastic model and I'm modeling a wooden model off it. I've had my ups and downs, you know. My hull isn't great. I should have used better quality wood. But, you know, I'll put a little filler in there and try to make it look good. I'm just going to show you where I'm at right now. So I'll show you the two models. So there you go, there was where I'm at. I'm putting this bridge on at the moment. You know, on this, you can see on the plastic one. Now I'm just going to shiv that out of the way. Get this in a bit. We'll get in a bit more so you can see a little more detail. And I'm just working on the same thing up here, look. The decking. See, it's coming along nicely. Yeah, I have some faults in the hull a bit that I've got to correct. And you know, I got little black ladders, which I will show you once I take this off. Hang on. See the little black ladders here are basically electric tie cables. This is a bigger one, but you know, the electric black tie cables, they look like staircases. They look lovely. Look at them all in here. So you can adapt things to your boat. So I'll list all the things I used in the end, but so we're going nice. See, I'm using a bit of hardboard for the decking at the moment. I kind of changed it up. I was doing edging, but it's getting very difficult when it gets smaller. So I have to kind of compromise with the wood a little bit. My broom handle, my white broom handle is in here too, in these little corner sections for the guns or the lookouts, whatever they used to be. I mean, she's looking pretty good. There we go, back at it.